So he needs an antidote. Burp in the mic for subs. Please, my friend damn me to do it and want to put it instead. All of VtuberClips can't, so just do it list as a one because it won't stop annoying me as my gun, not weird. I don't know how to burp on command. Chemical, give him an antidote. What's the antidote? I got it. Man's gonna... Wow, that's alright, that's fine. Have a good day. Thank you so much. I wish I could burp, but I can't. I have to take that drum dip within me.